Goenka, what would you like to say about this film? Doing zombie. What kind of a zombie are you playing?
I'm not playing a zombie. I'm playing the zombie buster, like a ghost buster. So we've developed a. You'll see, like I have a very cool gun with which I'm blowing the heads off all the zombies. So I'm playing this professor called Professor Briganza.
Oh,
Who's
you look Braganza kind.
I do. I also someone in another interview asked me that why Professor Briganza. I was like, I don't know. I don't know. I think it's an ode to any other character in the past, but I feel it's very like a character. She's one of the teachers who treats the children as their friends and all that, and she's one who encourages everybody. She's supposed to be sort of a sex symbol of the college where all the kids fancy her, but then she encourages them and she gives them solutions to fight the war.
I wouldn't hesitate to call you a southern sex symbol. You started with South Films Telugu, I think. So how do you look at this tag,
What?
sex symbol tag?
So what I love about, I genuinely do not like the sex symbol tag by itself, because the only reason why, because mostly when you put a woman in a sex symbol bracket, she just becomes that.
No, but
there is no other agency to her. Like someone once had asked me, like, how about a femme fatale? I like the idea of a femme fatale, but as long as she's not just throwing away her body to get her work done. They could also use their heads. They could also be playing tricks, which is apart from using their bodies, right?
Exactly.
So what I love about my character, that even though people or the kids fancy her, the boys really look up to her in that way, she also has a lot of agency. She is calling the shots. She's giving them solutions. She's encouraging and motivating. She's creating an army, which I love about that.
Yeah, these tags are just to encourage the glam quotient that you people have.
Reduce the woman to that. She can be that
yes.
and many other things.
Many other things, exactly right. What are your future films?
So I've done this film where I'm playing a cop, which is with Shiva Chadha and Sanjay Kapoor. It's called Palatwar so far. And then apart from that, Asur 3 would be coming out. And I mean, we would be starting shoot, to be honest. And I'm just going to with a film to Cannes for it's a prostitute. I'm playing a prostitute. It's called Bombay Story, but it's sort of an anthology, but wherein all the tracks merge into one another to make fulfilled.
Right.
So there's me, there's Moni Roy, there are two other women.
What is the title of that you said?
Bombay Stories.
Bombay Stories. So relevant, Bombay Stories with the concept,
Yeah. But I just love the fact that it's Manto stories.
So, it is about, what is the content about, you said? Prostitute. So did you have to do some homework, like going to the...
Honestly, no, I did not have that kind of interaction, but I don't know why, it just came very naturally. And the moment I got into the costume, and the character is so brilliantly written. And the character is written very well. And we women, even though we haven't been in the same space, we can very well
relate to
everything. And because as a prostitute, it gave me a lot of freedom of language or body language or standing the way and doing all of that. I just embraced it and loved it. So I totally adored playing. Her character's name is Saugandhi.
Saugandhi. It's such a lovely name.
I know.
Saugandhi.
You would love the character. I don't know about the film, but you would love the character.
I don't remember one film, that girl had, that film also went to festivals. I'm forgetting it. And she excelled here after that.
Anuja, is it?
I think so, yeah.
Maybe last year.
Yeah, last year.
Last 2 years or 2 years ago.
Yes, 2-3 years ago.
I think Anuja.
Yeah, and the way she played it, they were two sisters or something.
I think Anuja, you're referring to Anuja.
And the film, I couldn't divert my eyes and my mind out of it. So going to Cannes, what is your feeling? Cannes is the talk of the town now.
I think I'm just very blessed. Like, we all have dreamt of going to Cannes with a film. It's not in the official selection, it's in the market section. I hope that we make I sometime make a debut at Cannes with a film in the official selection. That's still a dream. But I'm looking forward to getting the whole vibe, feeling it, walking the red carpet, doing all of that.
So what dress? Who's going to design you? Manish Malhotra.
So I wish. No, it's not Manish Malhotra. There's a designer called Devrishi who's designing, and there's a stylist of mine who's also helping. We are trying to put together a costume which every one of us have contributed, to be very honest, because we wanted it to be cause driven, relating to prostitution. So it's sort of the time, I think, when you get an international stage like that, it is your time to be able to make a statement or send a message which all of us soundly believe in.
Right.
And that is a moment to really make some sort of a contribution to sending out a social message, right? I don't know whether it will be communicated, whether it will be
It
noticed.
will be,
But for
because
me,
he's such
I
a brilliant
would know.
actor with
I don't know about
Sacred
that, but at
Games.
least-
There was no looking back.
Thank you. But I just hope that, I mean, we are doing a bit. It matters to me. Like what I'm wearing has relevance.
So any actress you're going to follow, because in olden days, I remember I used to talk to these Saira Banuji and
हाँ,
Rishi Kapoor
wow.
and all. तो ऋषि कपूर बोलते थे हमारी फिल्मों में ना रेप होता था या लड़की को बेच देते थे बाजार
हाँ.
में या फिर मेले में हम लोग खो जाते थे.
हाँ.
So any actress, well-known actress who has played this kind of a role,
In
be it
prostitutes.
Meena Kumari, Madhubala, whose film you have seen, who do you?
I think in the recent times, of course, Alia,
Yeah,
Gangubai,
that film.
or Vidya Balan, but in the past, Mandi, was Shabana Azmi,
Shabana
and
Azmi
all
was also
Smita ma'am was there. Smita ma'am was playing a very different
Right.
character, so it was not similar. But just I remember Mandi a lot.
Mandi.
That gave a lot of info to me, and it made a very lasting impression on me. I'm sure there are other films which I can't think of off the top. But I've seen those characters. I think in Tamasha also a lot of that world was shown.
Right. That was
So yeah, I think Mandi was very lasting impression to be in particular.
one thing is very important, you don't have to be boxed, and you have taken, you've been very careful not to be boxed.
I try.
You've not been boxed,
I
All
think
the
I
films.
was boxed, but I'm really been for the last 3-4 years. I've been really trying to break that.
Typecast.
Yeah, I do want to do comedy. I do want to do seductive roles. I do want to do negative roles. I want to do more of period and more of rural characters because I became an actor to try different lives. So, and it takes a lot to be an actor. So I might as well do different things.
Yeah, I mean, in real life, being so modern, we are all rooted because we have to, we have dual personalities, we have to represent it. But being an Indian, our culture is so rooted,
Yeah, yeah.
and thus you want to do cultural kind of a role. You said, what kind of a village damsel you would like to play?
I wouldn't want to play a damsel. I think the whole word damsel, though I would love to play a character, sometimes I'm told that I'm too strong and they can't imagine me playing a character which is weak or docile. I do want to play a character. I would love to play a battered woman also, but at the same time where it is not celebrated or it's not shown as the only choice. I do want to tap into the vulnerable part and play a damsel, but as long as there is someone else playing a strong woman, there has to be some representation, or either this damsel has to become strong, or there has to be someone else in the film representing a strong women personality or aspect, and that this part is not celebrated or made the only choice.
Okay, finally, before we bid adieu, what do you want to say working with Jesse? He said, I'm playing the leading role. I'm debuting as a leading male actor,
Okay.
And how was it working with him?
Jesse is I've played, we worked together in work, and I would say this film is a lot about everybody. It's mostly an ensemble space where everyone is playing a very important character in that sense, because Jesse, Rose, Sachin, and Tanish, and even Rajan, and many others. They were all fab. I had a great time working with them. I had a great time working with Gagan and Alok as well. And our team of stylists, our managers, we all had a lot of luck. I think the hero of the film, to be very honest to me, is the other junior artists here who bring these zombies, because they've done a fab job. Like, I don't know how much it has translated, but on set, they were shooting in the most difficult circumstances, wearing that makeup for 10,
I
12
understand.
hours.
It's very heavy.
And mostly with junior artists, you have to give them a lot of direction. These were so good that they made everything look much real. So it's a small scale film, and when those people put in all that hard work and make it look real is when the movie will succeed.
3 films are clashing together on 15th, Sanjay Dutt's film,
Wow.
Akri Sawai,
Yeah.
and your film, and one more film कौन सी मुझे याद नहीं आ रही, एक और film. What do you want to say about your film to
Our film is
the
very
audience?
different, no? It's like a horror
Zombie
film.
film.
And I'm
Very
glad
different.
they're bringing in this in because not many things have been made on zombie. And this is a comedy film. It's a light watch. Our part is also that this is showing the college campus life. So everybody is looking for entertainment, for a good time, who enjoy horror and zombie space and just comedy. And also, this is also for the youth.
Yeah.
Because there are very few films which are being made for the youth itself,
Right.
and all those kids, all those elders too who've gone to college and campus in their in their early days would really relate to the film. So please do come, please watch, please give some love.
In one of the interviews, she told me they used to go to fill water bottles in McDonald's.
Ah.
How do you look at your journey lastly? You come along, may God bless you.
Thank you for remembering that.
Yeah.
I think यार उसका भी अपना एक चस्का होता है ना,
Yes.
उस टाइम का अपना चस्का होता है जब टपरी पे जाके चाय पीते थे क्योंकि वो 2 रुपए की चाय होती थी
miss
या
करती हूँ।
McDonald's, मतलब very grateful for what we have today, but also very proud of where we have come from. Like I remember I couldn't get my father a 30 rupees milkshake once, and I was like wow. And now, so I look back, but I also remember how I felt that time, and I was still very infused with hope. So that was a good time too. It had its own beauty.
Exactly. See, you have to be hardworking, even in the film industry. It's not a cakewalk, You may,
Film
all that
industry is
glitters
the
is
last
not.
place to consider a cakewalk.
Yes, they work very hard, and everybody should come and watch her film.
Please.
Zombie.
Thank
All the
you.
best.
Thank
Talking
you.
to
You're
us.
always
Bye.
so lovely to talk to. Thank
Take
you.
care. Bye.
Thank you.